This is a gate practice question. Let me read the question. The position of a particle y of t is described by the differential equation d square y by dt square is equal to minus dy by dt minus 5y by 4. The initial conditions are y of 0 is equal to 1 and dy by dt at t is equal to 0 is equal to 0. The position of the particle at t is equal to pi is accurate to 2 decimal places. And the differential equation is d square y by dt square is equal to minus dy by dt minus 5y by 4. Just taking dy by dt and 5y by 4 to the left side, we get d square y by dt square plus dy by dt plus 5y by 4 is equal to 0. The auxiliary equation of the given differential equation is m square plus m plus 5 by 4 is equal to 0. By solving minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, we get the value of m as minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I. Since the value of m is a complex number, the general solution of the differential equation is of the form y is equal to e raised to at c1 cos t plus c2 sin t. Here m is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I. Is of the form a plus ib. The value of a is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, y is equal to e raised to minus 1 by 2 t c1 cos t plus c2 sin t. In the question it is given that y of 0 is equal to 1 and dy by dt is equal to 0 at t is equal to 0. Y of 0 is equal to 0, we give t is equal to 0 and y of 0 1. Therefore 1 is equal to e raised to minus 0 by 2 c1 cos 0 plus c2 sin 0. Sin 0 value 0 and c1 cos 0 is 1. Therefore c1 is equal to 1. The second condition, now we give the second condition, dy by dt is equal to 0. Differentiating y dy by dt, e raised to minus 1 by 2 is derivative of e raised to minus 1 by 2 is e raised to minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. c1 cos t derivative is minus sin t plus c2 into sin t derivative is cos t. Now we apply the condition 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into e raised to 0 into c1 sin 0 plus c2 cos 0. E raised to 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. We get the value of c2 as 0. Now substituting the value of c1 as 1 and c2 as 0, we get y is equal to e raised to minus t by 2 cos t. Therefore, the position of the particle at t is equal to pi is e raised to minus pi by 2 cos pi. The value of cos pi is minus 1. Therefore, minus e raised to minus pi by 2. By calculating in the calculator, we get minus 0.2079. Rounding to 2 decimal place, minus 0.2.